Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Asana and Slack integrations configuration. Beginner guide. To backup your Asana and Slack integrations configuration, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to your Asana workspace settings. Locate the Apps tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Apps tab to view all connected integrations. Take a screenshot of the connected integrations list. Repeat the process for each project that has specific configurations. Next, open your Slack workspace. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner. Select Settings and Administration from the drop-down menu. Choose Manage Apps to view all installed applications. Take note of the Asana integration and its settings. Document any custom configurations you've applied. You can use a text or document file to record this information. Be sure to include any specific permissions granted. Now, return to your Asana account. For each integration, check for any specific settings. If possible, export any relevant data directly from the integrations interface. Save all screenshots and notes securely on your device. Consider storing this backup in a cloud service for easy access. Regularly review and update your backup documentation. This process will ensure you have a complete reference for your configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.